Hi boys and girls, happy Wednesday. We're going to start with our rhyming. So remember, you're going to listen to me first. I'm going to do 2 words. You're going to repeat them. If they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, give me a thumbs down. All right, first one. 8 hen. Tray play. Ride side. Bus plus. Boy best. You got it. Next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words and then I'm going to say the sound they start with. Then it's your turn to repeat. Coast, cow, ka. Igloo, iguana, I. Mine, mix, mmm. No, near, Octopus, ox, aw. Great job. Our next one, you need your choppers. We are blending phonemes. You're going to repeat after me. G-O, go. H-E, he. S-O, so. B-oo, boo. B-E, bee. Great job. Next one is isolating final sounds. This is when we are going to punch it out. All right, you're going to watch me. I'm going to drag my arm across and punch out the ending. All right, here we go. In. Thumb. Cob. Off. Dog. Nice job. The next one we're going to do, we need your choppers again. We're segmenting our phonemes. We're going the opposite way. We're going to say the word and then chop it into 2 pieces. Shy. Sh-I. Zoo. Z-oo. Low. L-O. You. Y-oo. Hey. H-A. Great job. Next one, we're going to add phonemes. So that's when you're going to hold a ending in your hand and we're going to add a beginning. Here we go. Repeat after me. O. Add G. Go. I. Add W. Y. A. Add D. Day. Ooh. Add Y. You. E. Add S. C. Great. Next one we're doing is deleting phonemes. So then you're going to hold a little word in your hands and we're going to take away part of that word. Here we go. Your word is may. Without what's left is A. We. Without w, what's left is E. Tie. Without t, what's left is I. So. Without s, what's left is O. Zoo. Without z, what's left is ooh. You got it. Nice job. Next one, we're going to substitute our phonemes. So you need your fists right out here. We're going to be changing out the beginning of each word. All right. Our word is sat. Change s to p. Pat. Pat. Change p to b. Bat. Bat. Change b to k. Cat. Cat. Change k to m. Mat. Mat. Change m to s. Sat. Nice job. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to practice our nursery rhyme for language awareness. You guys have learned 3 lines so far. Today we're going to learn the 4th line. Listen to me, then it's your turn. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb. Your turn. All right, we will find out the rest tomorrow. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.